Hey guys, hope you've been doing great. Welcome to another Frontier Indica video. Today, we'll be critiquing the existing college system of India, which often gets called out for its inefficiency, primitiveness, and overall dismal track record. We'll try to identify specific problems plaguing Indian higher education and look at how they're holding us back. The first and foremost issue is the attitude problem. Our society's attitude towards what a college education should be is completely wrong and misguided. We think that college is a place where you spend 3 to 4 years of your life writing exam upon exam based on rote memorization, and after clearing, you get a piece of paper declaring you an engineer or a lawyer or doctor or whatever, and whoosh, you're magically ready to enter a profession. This obsession with credentialism over actual education leads to a situation where 22-year-olds either enter a job having to learn everything from scratch anyways, or end up unemployed sitting at home being prodded by their family to try and get the next degree somehow. The attitude problem also extends to the government and college authorities. Professors are hired almost exclusively on what degrees they possess, what grades they had, and how many papers they've published. Basically, those who are well versed in outdated bookish knowledge and those who have perfected the art of gaming the system get pre-selected for. Important questions like what practical experience they have in the industry or whether they have the necessary communication skills to engage young students are mostly ignored. Another problem, which is kind of an extension of the attitude problem, is that our institutions are always playing catch up to the modern day and age. Even when everyone has already moved on to emails and computers, professors will insist on getting hard copies of every assignment, every project. Archaic attendance rules continue to be used to force students to attend classes of even the most poorly trained and uninformed instructors. Instead of spending money on projectors and digital infrastructure, funds are spent on modules upon modules of photocopied material largely plagiarized or lifted entirely from books of Western academics. And talking of spending, most Indian colleges only spend a limited amount of money to develop proper infrastructure. Shoddily built hostel buildings, half-finished sports facilities, decrepit classrooms, these are all the norm, not the exception. What is also the norm, across government colleges at least, is affirmative action in the form of caste-based quotas. Now, this isn't unique to the higher education system, but it's certainly something which plays a particularly malignant role in diluting and destroying any semblance of a fair merit-based admission process in our colleges. Last but not the least is the complete lack of real mentors or counselors to guide students. Even by the time they're in 12th grade, on the cusp of entering college, most students are utterly confused and unsure of what they really want to do. Professional counseling services are largely unavailable, and even when in college, students have no access to a dedicated counselor to guide them through the highs and lows of college life, or tell them how to deal with living on their own for the first time, or explain to them how to work towards creating a balanced yet academically sound profile which will impress recruiters. Honestly, there is absolutely no justification for our higher education system to be this broken. We've seen the signs for so many years, and yet successive governments and society as a whole has chosen to look the other way. This status quo cannot be allowed to continue. Not only are we jeopardizing our nation's prospects of becoming an advanced economy, but we are also spitting on the hopes and dreams of hundreds of millions of our youths. No civilized society would do such a thing. On that final note, we'll wrap things up. Hope you found this discussion interesting. Also, do subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. It's something that'll really help us out.